A tree that is highly regarded as a bird magnet. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Bignai Antidisma boneus of the family Phyllantaceae. Bignai is a small evergreen tree that is highly regarded as a bird magnet. The small fruits are edible, which sometimes are sold in local markets and can be processed into excellent jam and wine. Its wood can be used as firewood, pole, fences, trellises, tool handles, chopping boards, boundary markers, and as temporary of light construction materials. The leaves and bark of bignai contain alkaloids that are used medicinally. Leaves are acidic and diaphoretic. It is also used in preparing various dishes, particularly as a substitute for tomatoes and vinegar. Due to its dense crown, bignai offers good shade and beautifies home yards and parks. Thus, this plant is usually grown as an ornamental tree. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.